Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with our 2015 Tundra Off-Road Edition. Of course, the Tundra is well known for its retained earnings, and of course this is the 5.7 liter engine, Toyota's most popular version. I'm going to show you this today, just over 83,000 kilometers. This one has fog lights built into it, some sensors. Standard on the off-road is the 18-inch Michelin tires here. Of course, we have heated folding mirrors. This being our double cab, gives you lots of leg room back here, 60-40 split in the seats, lots of storage underneath, and those of course are winter mats. This will also have summer mats. As we move to the rear of the vehicle, this being an off-road has Bilstein shocks and the 6.5 foot box. Backup camera's right there. Comes with a tow package, wired, ready to go. Lockable tailgate as well. We'll drop this so you can see that it has a drop-in bed liner. Let's take a look at some of the features inside the truck. Okay, inside the vehicle we have heated cloth seats, power seats on the driver's side. So we move up to the big screen. You can see it's heated seats again. And as you come over here, you'll see that you have your four-wheel drive switch, which can be done on the fly. Satellite radio in this vehicle as well. And we have Bluetooth capability. And as we move down here to the console, you can see that we have a headlight leveling system, where if you have a lot of weight on the back of the vehicle and your headlights are slightly in the air, we can bring it down. This is your power rear window control, adjustable mirrors, and a cargo light. That's our 2015 Tundra. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call down here at the dealership. Thanks for watching and stay safe.